Amazing, absolutely amazing. I can keep hearing it on a loop. It's just a very special work. And Tanishk, I must tell you, you've done phenomenal work with this.
Yeah, yeah. And
Thank
also,
you.
With
Thank you so much.
Anand, we should also thank Nazif
Nazif,
from
yeah, I was
video
coming to that.
for putting such a lovely video together. Yeah.
या ट्रू बिकॉज ये सब हमने लॉकडाउन में शूट किया है, लॉकडाउन में कंपोज किया है, लॉकडाउन में लिखा गया है, जब पूरी तरह से बंद था सब. एट दैट टाइम वी बीन एबल टू प्रोड्यूस एंड पुट आउट एन आउटपुट लाइक दिस व्हिच इज स्पेशल. एंड ये मानना पड़ेगा कि आसान नहीं होता है. बट हरदीप, मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ बिकॉज वी गॉट डॉक्टर अनुपम सिब्बल ऑल्सो एंड यू टॉकिंग अबाउट वैक्सीन. You must have consulted your doctors, and you must have read a lot, and between you and your husband Manpreet, and you must have discussed a lot of things. What was the process for you? और आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बहुत सारी लैक्टेटिंग मदर्स होंगी अभी जो न्यू मदर्स हैं, तो वो उनको आप क्या कहना चाहिए? Those who are expecting children.
Well, we were actually just waiting for the vaccination to come, or we were very. We made sure that our parents got vaccinated, Mankeet's parents and my parents. तो वो जैसे आया हमने तो फटाफट अपने पेरेंट्स को तो भेज दिया कि you should be safe and get vaccinated. तो उनके दोनों doses लग गए. But for me, I was very apprehensive because I didn't know कि could lactating mothers get vaccinated. So we were just waiting for some announcement from the government. And as soon as we read in the papers and we read in the news that now the government has also allowed for lactating women to get vaccinated, I immediately called up my gynecologist. I also consulted my baby's pediatrician that is it safe to get vaccinated, because I had heard there were so many side effects and नहीं लेना चाहिए. लोग डराते काफी एक्चुअली, जो ignorance है ना तो वो जल्दी फैलती है. So it's better to ask the expert, and who better than your own doctors. So I consulted my gynecologist and my family doctor also, and they were very they calmed me down. I said it's okay, the government has allowed and you must take it. It's better to be safe. जो लोग ले रहे हैं, they're safer than the ones who have not got vaccinated at all, and it will be good for the baby also. He'll also get the antibodies. So then I trusted my doctors. They are the experts, and I just went out and got vaccinated.
So you got the vaccine, और उसके बाद कुछ आपको difference
Yes,
लगा?
yes.
कुछ फर्क पड़ा?
नहीं, मेरे को तो बुखार भी नहीं चढ़ा.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल
तो
डिफरेंस
नहीं,
नहीं है. एक आप कह सकते हैं कि एक पीस ऑफ माइंड मिल गया कि अभी पहले से आई एम सेफर. सो एक पॉजिटिव चेंज ही आया है.
Anand,
positive change.
there is this fear of the unknown with this vaccine
हाँ.
thing, and
Yes.
many of it are like WhatsApp forwards, forwarded many
Right.
times in our messages. It's because of that. Really, I'm telling you, because that's why psychologically what we have done also, the beginning of the anthem, we have put a small kid, When
Yeah.
our very dear Kisha Goel, she's the one who said this.
Ah.
And she just said, "आपने टीका लगाया क्या?" When a small child says that, no, एक confidence है, अरे ये बच्चा बोल रहा है, बच्चा भी बोलता है. So there, it definitely has got to be safe. So all these things, how we thought of and tried to, create awareness through this song. Yeah.
नहीं, और जब तक सारे बड़े टीका नहीं लगाते ना, सारे बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा पाएंगे. ये बात भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. और अब तो
बिल्कुल.
ये हो रहा है कि बच्चों को भी टीका लगाइए तभी हम स्कूल जाएंगे, लेकिन सारे बड़े हो जाएंगे, एक बार टीका लग जाएगा उनको, तो फिर बच्चों को आप कम से कम स्कूल का रास्ता वापस दिखा तो सकते हैं. 1.5-2 साल हो गए, चिल्ड्रन हैव नॉट गॉन टू स्कूल. एंड द अदर थिंग इज, शंकर जी, आई हैव टू आस्क यू, you also stepped up, and you have somebody who has had comorbidities. Siddharth is sitting right next to you as a concerned, as a son. Were you worried about your dad getting the vaccine, or did you do your own research? And have you got the vaccine? I have to ask you that.
Yes.
Siddharth, लगाया क्या?
Shivam and I, both of us have got both our doses of the vaccine. In fact, we as a family were more scared about Dad because, he has had some heart problems in the past. So we wanted to make sure that we keep him as safe as possible. And obviously, as Harshdeep was also saying, we consulted our family doctors, we consulted with his doctors, and they all guided him to the best solution. And as soon as the vaccine was available, I think we pushed him to go and get it, and he was obviously more than happy to do it.
It's very simple. I mean, why rely on rumors and messages and some kind of fear factor that keeps lingering around? Just call your doctor. Doctor is the best person to say.
Exactly.
And on the television every day on all your news channels, there are the best countries, best doctors telling you all vaccines are good. Just
Yeah.
go and take whichever, when your turn comes. जब अपनी बारी आए, टीका लगा
टीका लगा.
तो अब थोड़ा सा जो डॉक्टर इन द मिक्स है उनको थोड़ा सा हम सेंटर में लेके आते हैं. डॉक्टर अनुपम सिब्बल, एक बात बताइए, ये जो डॉक्टर्स की जो फ्रेटर्निटी है, मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी है, आर दे ऑल ऑन बोर्ड टुगेदर, कि उसमें भी थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है कि वहां पर भी हमको जाकर पूछना पड़ेगा कि लगाया क्या?
No, absolutely not. When we first started off, तो थोड़ा बहुत hesitancy था, and hesitancy मैं बताता हूँ किन में था, young nurses, because एक rumor चला था, a few months ago about fertility issues, which of course we've tried to dispel. There's absolutely no connection between fertility and vaccination. Then there was this concern about pregnancy. Can you plan a family, if you get vaccinated? Again, which we had to dispel. Then there was this other thing about clotting with one particular vaccine. And what did we find? Well, the risk of getting a clot after the vaccination is 9 per million. But if you get COVID, the risk of clotting abnormalities is 39 per million. So really, it's up to you whether you want to 4.5 times protection, you want it or not. Then there was this vaccine data that came out in Norway in the elderly, that in nursing homes, after vaccination, a lot of people died. And when an analysis was done, it was shown that the number of people who died were equal to the number of people who die anyway because of old age related issues. And it had nothing to do with vaccination. So from time to time, all these questions come up. And as Shankarji was saying, as Harjeet was saying, it's important to not rely so much on information that is available on your phone, but please pick up the phone. We are all available. And when it comes to pediatrics, there are 33,000 of us available as part of the Indian Academy of Pediatrics. So talk to us. We are there 24/7. And thanks to technology, now we're all doing virtual consults. So we are always available. So please don't go by what you hear or what you see. There is always a sense of you couldn't be sure whether, or you can't be sure whether this is accurate information or not. And many of us spend a lot of time updating ourselves. And let me just give you an idea. There are as many as 322 papers that are published on COVID every single day. I'm not talking about newspaper reports. I'm talking about published peer-reviewed papers. So imagine by the time this program finishes, I would have to go and read 12 more papers that would have got published. So, it's just not possible even for doctors. And we have large teams that deliberate, go through all the information and summarize it. And that's why there's so many guidelines. So, going by what is available on WhatsApp, perhaps is not the best way of getting your knowledge.
No, very, very rightly said. And I think it's an important aspect for us to remember or understand is that mortality comes down. Your life is going to be saved, and the probability of you not getting COVID-19 seriously goes up many, many more times if you get vaccinated. That's the
Can I just come in here for a minute, Anand?
जी sir, platform आपका कभी भी.
I'm a living example here. Jisko after my second dose, I got COVID. Okay, I don't know how, but I got it. But thanks to the vaccination, I did not have any kind of symptoms, no fever, nothing. It was just, on paper that I'm COVID positive. Luckily, because of the vaccination, I was absolutely fine. There was no kind of tiredness or fever or breathing problems. Nothing happened. So that's why I urge everybody, please go and get your vaccinations done. It really, really helps.
जी, वो कहते हैं ना, साच को आज क्या, प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण क्या. दो लोग ऐसे सामने बैठे हैं जो कि जीता जागता उदाहरण है कि how much it matters, getting the vaccine matters. But Ajit, if I may come across to you, did you like the anthem? You heard the full anthem. Is it going to be now playing at all the branches of Federal Bank? And how has the response been internally?
I think it was an amazing one. Really, I think our employees, we had circulated it. They all liked it. Shankarji, as always, awesome performance. I think the entire team deserves it. Congratulations and hats off to each one who is involved, who is behind this wonderful anthem. I'm sure that it's going to motivate and encourage quite a lot of people who are hesitant as of now to take the vaccines, because all of us are aware the only way to protect ourselves from the virus is to get ourselves vaccinated. Great job. Congratulations once again to the entire team. It's a beautiful anthem. Beautiful.
Sir, we also made this anthem in Kannada. We made it in Telugu. We have also made it in Marathi, and hope to do it in many more languages so that it reaches out to all the corners of the country. Yeah.
Sir, I'm going to get you to sing the language version after we play out the story that's coming through from Srinagar. there are a few health workers waiting for us at the Dal Lake in Srinagar. I just want to play that out, and then we will get to the language versions of Tika Laga.
अरे यार, I hope I'm able to sing maybe a few lines. Yeah.
Yeah. आपके पास टाइम है, थोड़ा याद कर लीजिए. We play out this. Have a look at this.
But these are fantastic visuals. Look at those houseboats, and deep inside the backwaters of Dal, those vaccinators are going out, seeking out people and vaccinating them. It's a huge task. Initially, there was some reluctance. Let's ask Dr. Salim Rahman, who is with me, enjoying this boat ride. But after he went deep into the Dal Lake to see how the vaccination drive is really going on, there was initial hesitancy among the people. How did you overcome them?
Absolutely, there was initial hesitancy because people used to get the data from social media and other things. But we worked very fast, very effectively, and very convincingly at the initial stage. And what we did, we involved people we involved doctors, we involved paramedics, we involved opinion leaders, religious leaders, and today also, if you see that we have involved people in the mask, we are giving vaccination over there. So the reason was that was the reason that we could convince people back to the system, and in a very short span of time. We could, though there was initial reluctance, but in a very short span of time we could get that reluctance over and progress so much that we are one of the leading country leading UT in the country with the highest numbers of people who have been vaccinated.
When do you hope to achieve 100% vaccination? And people also want to talk about, are there enough dosages of vaccine?
We have enough of vaccine available. We have smooth supply of vaccine available. There is no dearth of vaccine, and we are sure, we presume, we believe that by 15th of September all age groups will be covered 100%.
As the Director General said, that he hopes to achieve this by September mid. So clearly we're waiting for that to happen. In Srinagar, this is Mufti Isla.
Isla getting us that story from Srinagar. We'll also get you what has been happening in Dakshin Kannada. Shyam Srinivasan was sharing some very interesting developments in Dakshin Kannada and across. In fact, wherever the districts where the Sanjeevani Gadi has been on ground, there has been this transformation which has happened. And I know people who initially were against the vaccines, but now have come turned around and have become active advocates of the vaccine. So once they understand the importance, then they become champions, and I think that is where the importance is. Now, one of the reasons why we wanted to do languages, Ajit, do you want to come in, weigh in and say why languages, and then I'll go across to Shankarji. Why make the anthem in multiple languages, Ajit? I'm just going to check if Ajit is there with us. The thought process, ladies and gentlemen, कि हम लोग गांव में जा रहे हैं, हम लोग ग्राउंड पर जा रहे हैं, और ग्राउंड पर जो ये 5 स्टेट्स हैं जहां पर ये फोकस है संजीवनी कैंपेन का, वो 5 स्टेट्स हैं पंजाब, मध्य प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र और कर्नाटका. And that's why we are there in Guntur, we are there in Dakshin Kannada, we are there in Nashik, Nanded, and that entire belt. और इसलिए 3 और लैंग्वेजेस में टीका लगाया जो एंथम है वो बना है, उसकी धुन को हमने चेंज कर उसको लैंग्वेज वर्जन दिया है. शंकर जी, मराठी इज अप योर एली, तो तेलुगु इज टू, तो फिर
See, I mean, beautifully, the Marathi is written by Samir Samant, the person who wrote Katyar Kalzat Dusli. So he wrote the lyrics of the. So he read Tika Ghere, Uzara Tika Ghere, Atavel. Sorry, Las Ghere, Uzara Las Ghere, Atavel Nakola, Uzara Las Ghere, Las Ghere, Uzara Las Ghere, Uzara Las. Getli ka. That's Marathi. Then you go to Telugu. It's written by G.S. Ramji. It goes Tika Vesko, Umari Tika Vesko, Ikani Vantoste Tika Vesko, Tika Vesko, Umari Tika Vesko, Umari Tika 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 Vesko Nava. That's Telugu. And then in Kannada, Lasiketago, Nina Lasiketago, Nina Saradiyu Bandaga, Lasiketago, Lasiketago, Nina Lasiketago, Nina Lase. So it works so beautifully in all the languages, and I think when you bring it out in those respective states, I think they connect much better because it's the mother tongue and they really feel, so we try to do that. Let's see. Let's hope for the best.
You guys did all the arrangements at home. So who did the arranging and all of that? Getting the music. How did you get the vocals with Harshdeep? Get the tonality right?
Oh
Uh,
God,
yeah,
it
Siddhartha.
was. Yeah, I mean, Siddharth and Somil. Siddharth, of
So
course.
Somil is my cousin. Somil and I, we've been composing since the start of our careers. So
They were about 16 years old. They've been
yeah,
composing.
so
Yeah.
we put this song together for Dad. We produced the whole thing, got in a bunch of really talented musicians.
I think we should thank all of them now.
Yeah, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank a few people who have played on the song. They're always behind the scenes and you don't see them on camera, but in this video you have seen a couple of glimpses of them. I'd like to thank Rahul Hariharan, who's played the drums on the song. I'd like to thank Sean Pinto, who's played the guitars. Dog Geek, who has done some additional programming on it, and Amay, our engineer, who's put in a lot of hours to get all the sound balanced and mixed this anthem. So yeah, it's been a lovely experience working remotely with all these artists. Even Harshdeep sending her files and then we getting to slap it onto the song. So it was an amazing experience.
And then changing the lyrics, and then sending her back again, and then she's sending her back again. But it's a fun process and a lot of hard work, a lot of focus and dedication, but nothing compared to the frontline workers what they're doing. So we're just a little bit of a
It's a small effort. The best we can do.
बट ये मुश्किल होता है पर कैसे, या फिर लॉकडाउन ने ये सब सिखा दिया ये जुगाड़.com हर्षदीप कि फाइल कैसे रिकॉर्ड करना है, टोनैलिटी कैसे मेंटेन करनी है, कैसे भेजना है.
कहते हैं ना कि नेसेसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल इन्वेंशंस, तो वो एक करना ही पड़ता है बिकॉज वी कांट गो आउट एंड मीट ईच अदर एंड रिकॉर्ड सामने से, बिकॉज दैट्स आई मैसेज शंकर जी आल्सो दैट आई लव्ड सिंगिंग द सॉन्ग बट आई मिस्ड हिज गाइडेंस. जब वो सामने होके रिकॉर्ड करवाते हैं ना तो एक अलग ही मजा आता है, द वे ही keeps praising you and encourages you. So I missed that fun, but nevertheless it was amazing. जुगाड़ तो पंजाबियों को वैसे ही आ जाता है करना by default. But actually the lockdown has taught me how to like basic अपने आप को कैसे रिकॉर्ड करना है. So I bought a mic. यही रूम है, यहीं पर रिकॉर्डिंग होती है, यहीं पे शूटिंग होती है, यहीं पे आपके इंटरव्यूज करती हूँ.
with technology you can do wonders. Yeah. So
Yes. बिल्कुल.
पर हर्षदीप, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, क्या ये आपका पहला बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है आफ्टर हुनर?
नहीं, इसके जब ये 14 दिन का था तब मैंने एक सिंगल रिकॉर्ड किया था. इट्स कॉल्ड जन्नत. इट्स अ कोलैबोरेशन विद अ यूके आर्टिस्ट, तो वो मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया था. बट दिस इज अ ह्यूज एंथम एंड टू सिंग फॉर शंकर जी इज ऑलवेज एन ऑनर. तो मैं बीच में जाके उसको संभालती थी, फिर नेक्स्ट एक टेक लेके आती थी, फिर मैं जाती थी, फिर वो सो जाता था, फिर मैं अगली लाइन रिकॉर्ड करती थी. तो इट वाज अ फन प्रोसेस.
फन प्रोसेस है, और ये सिर्फ माँ ही कर सकती हैं, ये जो मल्टीटास्किंग वाला काम है ना, ये they have this innate ability to be able to do this. Ajit KK and Dr. Anupam Sibal, quick comments from you. We've got two more things to share with our viewers, and I'm just going to request another 10 minutes. We'll try and also set it up. Dr. Sibal, I just want to understand, how important is taking this message to villages? Have you seen rural hesitancy greater than in urban India? And you also are engaging with a team of, a huge team across the Apollo network. So I want to get your feedback on that. And then we'll play out what's happening in Dakshina Kannada and then revisit the anthem before we all sign out of this launch broadcast. But yes, Dr. Sibal.
Yes, absolutely. We are seeing, a difference across the country, urban, rural. Obviously, it's about lack of awareness. It's about literacy levels, because there are obviously a lot of doubts that people have. And so we may need to make that extra effort. And I think that's where the anthem helps, because it kind of plants that seed that think about vaccination, think about it, the benefits. And then, if you have doubts, you can get your doubts cleared. But if you don't even think about it, then, you're not even going to articulate those doubts. And then how is it that you're going to have the confidence to go ahead and get vaccinated? So it's extremely important for people, to be aware of the power of vaccination, the benefits, and how we're going to win this war through vaccination. and by all means ask as many questions as you want, but there is a definite difference, and it is related to literacy. So I think that's why having a message which is simple is very, very important.
No, absolutely. I totally agree. There are a lot of learnings that have come to us, और मैं हमारे दर्शकों को बताना चाहूँगा देश भर से हमें बहुत सारे जो है फीडबैक्स और रिस्पॉन्सेज मिलते हैं, और हमारे जो एनजीओ पार्टनर्स हैं उनको मैं बहुत थैंक यू करना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट कंडीशंस में ये काम किया है, और एक व्यक्ति भी अगर हमारे काम की वजह से जाकर टीका लगवा लेता है तो हम सक्षम हुए, हमारी जो ये मुहिम है, हम एक नहीं, हम करोड़ों लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं, ये हमारा उद्देश्य है।